Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac. And I'm going to show you in 3 different ways. I'm going to show you the free way and then 2 other tools that I use on a daily basis to do video tutorials like this. So if you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, as it really helps out with the channel. So let's get into the first way. The first way I like to do it is using Camtasia. Camtasia is a great tool to do screencastings of types of tutorials like how-tos, especially if you wanted to follow your screen or you're doing a presentation for Word or Google, anything that you want to showcase from your desktop. I think it's probably the best software in terms of tutorial use. It's not the best software for video editing or VFX or graphics or animation, but for screencasting tutorials, I think Camtasia is the best. So if you come over to Camtasia, I'm going to show you this, and I'm just going to create a new project, and I'm going to click on record, and I want to use my iPhone that I have connected to Camtasia. So I'm just going to select QuickTime Player so you can see what I'm doing on my phone. So right now you can see my phone on the right here. And before I start Camtasia, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select FaceTime, and that's just me over here. And what I want to do is select my iPhone that I want, and right now you can see it's iPhone camera 6. I'm going to select that. And now I'm just going to disconnect this part because that's the phone, or I don't have to do anything because right now you can see I'm pointing my camera. Okay, as you can see right now you can see my keyboard here. Let me just pop this down here. So right now I've got my iPhone connected with a lightning cable, or you could use a USB cable. And you can see within QuickTime, it's open on the right, and I'm just displaying this. But within Camtasia, it's going to automatically connect your phone or any device that's connected to your Mac or your iMac or your MacBook Pro. So I just selected from the bottom of the list, and I selected my iPhone, which I named 614 Desktop View Camera. Okay, and then when I went to my iPhone, it automatically detects it from Camtasia that this is going to be used as a webcam. So now I can just flip this around and show it to my face if I wanted to, but you can see that, I'm just using it as a camera, and you can see my Stream Deck here. I could point it to my desktop. So that's the first way of doing that. You can use Camtasia. Camtasia is a one-time fee, but you could also pay for maintenance, and that maintenance also gets you upgrades, etc. I don't personally use my iPhone as a camera. I use my built-in iMac for a camera. And I'm going to show you in the next part here how I do it with QuickTime. So the way I do it with QuickTime, and you don't necessarily need Camtasia, but this is actually how I do these recordings. So I'm going to come back over here to QuickTime. And then you can see I'm still using it as a camera, right? I could use it as a camera, and I could record if I wanted to. And I'm just going to give you an example here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on record, and it's just going to pause. Give me an option to pause, which I'll just move it over to the side, and I'm just going to click on record. I'm just going to wave my hand through it a little bit. It's going to do a little countdown, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then it's going to start to record. So now what I want to do is, let's say I had my camera set up, and I'm just going to wave my hand. You can't see me doing this right now, but I'm just going to wave my hand in front of the iPhone camera, and you'll see that I'm using it as a webcam. So now I'm just going to come over to Camtasia at the top right here, and I'm going to click on stop recording. And I'm just going to edit this in Camtasia. And I'm just going to turn down the volume so we don't hear any feedback here. So let's just turn that off. Turn off the volume here. And now I'm just going to, from the playhead, you can see that this part is my actually iPhone working as a camera. So if I had a display pointing to my face, this is what you guys would be seeing. But now you can see me wave my hand a couple of times. I'm waving my hand. I'm waving my hand. Let me just play this here. So that's the second way on how I use my iPhone as a camera connected to my Mac. I use it, one through QuickTime Player and the other one through Camtasia. So let's get into the last part here. I'm just going to close Camtasia, and Camtasia is very easy to use. I'm just going to delete this, close it, and as you can see, there's multiple ways of doing this. So if you just wanted to do simple recording of, let's say, your face and using it as a webcam, you could come over here, and then just click on record. So, and I'm just going to double click on QuickTime Player. You come over to File, New Movie Recording. So you select New Movie Recording, okay, and then you can flip the screen if you wanted to, the camera. But right now I'm just going to click on record. So now you can see it's actually recording right there. So 6, 5, 7, 8, 9, and it's recording. And if I want to stop the recording in QuickTime, just click over here and press stop. Now this would be pointing to your face if you were using it as a webcam. Click on stop, and then now you can just kind of replay the file. You could pause it, and then now if you wanted to upload this, you could airdrop this to someone, or you could click on save and share it. You could add it to photos, you could Dropbox transfer this, etc. Airdrop message it to someone else, add it to your notes, add it to Freedom. Or you could come over here to File at the top and click on Save. So in the next part, I'm going to show you how to do this all through the last part, which is Ecamm Live. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So over here, I've got Ecamm Live, and Ecamm Live it's a learning curve, but once you get used to it, it's very easy because it's all about scenes. Once you have your scenes and your selections and your camera sources, that's it. The only thing you want to do is add backgrounds. So I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam using Ecamm Live and your Mac. So I'm just going to come over here, and on the right side you have text backgrounds, you have options for voice. If I click on this, you can see it's a FaceTime built-in camera here. And I'm going to select on this part over here at the top here, and I'm going to click on Scene, and I'm going to click on Show Scenes. And with Show Scenes, I've got already pre-selected scenes if I wanted to just kind of use my camera as a webcam. So now it's the same procedure where you have your lightning cable connected to your iPhone, your iMac to text it, and this is just a desktop scene that I have with no face. I'm not showing anything but just my desktop. And if I wanted to add a camera in here, all I have to do is click on the camera part, okay? Because right now I'm just sharing the screen. I'm going to click on camera, and now you can see this is me in the background. You can see I've got options here. So you can see that my iPhone is connected, and I want to use my iPhone as a camera. So this one, if I selected iPhone, this would actually be just showing the apps on my phone. So if I wanted to kind of display the apps on my phone and do a tutorial, I could, but I actually wanted to use it as a camera or as a webcam. So I'm just going to select click to start, and it's going to be pointing at my keyboard. So that's the last way on how to use your iPhone as a webcam using a combination either Camtasia, Ecamm Live, and QuickTime. So my favorite way of doing presentations is through Ecamm Live because it gives you flexibility with multiple camera sources, multiple backgrounds. If I just wanted to do a screencast tutorial on my iPhone, actually use Camtasia and just display it from QuickTime. So that's it for the video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment, and if you want me to do another video to clarify anything, I'm more than happy to do it. So again, if you like the video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.